everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make Sogogi Guk or beef soup. This is my husband's favorite soup and I got this recipe from my omani or from my mother-in-law. Let's start! For this recipe, we need kung namul or soybean sprout. Also, we need green onion and also radish. For the meat, I will use beef, tiny cut of beef. I got kung namul from the Korean mart, so you can use also the mung bean sprout if you have. Wash the soybean sprout and set it aside. Carefully wash the meat to remove the blood. Now for the green onion, slice them into tiny pieces. On a deep pot, I add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and then add the garlic and add the onion. I will add the meat, the radish, and then the kung namul. The reason why I'm frying them first before adding soup is to remove the smell from the meat and to enhance the flavor more. Mix them all together and add water. I add 8 cups of water. Instead of salt, I use dashida for the beef flavor and cover to boil. Now it's almost ready, so I'm adding the green onion and cover it to boil more. For the spicy version, you can add red pepper powder. I boiled this soup for around 30 minutes to have soft and tender meat and serve. You can add fresh green pepper or the red chili, but this is for my children, so I removed the spicy part. Hope you enjoy my recipe today, and please give me like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.